It's Penelope show.
Woo! Smile, smile. Look at Mama, smile. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Is that your new toy? New toy, Pen? Whoa! Can I see? Can I see, Pen? Whoa. Open it. Open. Open it. Fix it na. Fix it. Hair? That's for hair? What's that? What's that? Pen.
Toy. Done.
Give Mama, give Mama. Give. Wow, nice bracelet. It's pretty.
Oh no.
This one.
Mama, that.
Okay.
Copy me done.
What's that? It's a lipstick pen. It's a lipstick.
Come high.
And go brush your hair. Brush your hair. Wow, so pretty your makeup, Penny. I'll give Mama. What's this one?
Open.
Open? Lipstick? Okay. Go. Lipstick. Pretty Penny. Oh, so pretty makeup, Penny. Show it to Mama. What's that?
A cup.
Can I see? Can I see? Wow! How about this one, Pen?
Okay.
Hair dryer. Wow. What's that? It's a ring. Go. Put it on your fingers. Wow, so pretty. It's for your hair.
Open. Open.
It's open. Hmm?
Done.
Done makeup. Let me see your ring. See your hands. Oh, pretty.